Here we are today. We have a do-it-yourselfer went wrong. Trees resting on the primary. And we got notch. They cut above the notch on the back cut. Then they got the rope. It's a cheap Menards. It's stretched out when they're trying to pull it. And they ran out of room at the fence. So you can hear the tree sizzling. Hopefully the power company takes care of it for them. They kill the power. There's been some smoking and crackling. They called the power company 2.5 hours ago. We'll see what happens.